Picture Rome at its height, the greatest empire the world had ever seen. Now imagine it never fell. No collapse, no dark ages, just an unbroken Rome marching straight into the modern world. In our history, Rome crumbled under invasions, plague, and endless civil war, and Europe sank into centuries of darkness. But what if Rome had weathered every storm and simply kept going? With no fall, the great libraries are never lost. Roman knowledge keeps compounding: engineering, medicine, mathematics, instead of being scattered to ash and forgotten for 1,000 long years. Rome was already a nation of master engineers. Concrete, aqueducts, and water mills, all centuries ahead of their time. Given more years, those machines would only grow more powerful. Then comes the spark. A Greek inventor once built a working steam engine, a toy that was ignored. In an unbroken Rome, that toy becomes an engine, and the ancient world learns to harness steam. Now imagine Roman factories, 1,000 years early. Steam-driven mills, glowing iron foundries, and railways of polished stone carrying legions in grain across 3 continents at impossible speed. Electricity follows. Roman cities blaze with light long before our own ever did. A vast network of roads becomes a network of wires, binding the empire tighter than any army ever could. Picture the skyline. Marble towers reinforced with steel. Aqueducts feeding a mega-city of millions. The Eagle of Rome flying above skyscrapers that would dwarf anything the ancient world had known. One language, one law, one empire, stretching across the whole planet. In this world, you might be reading this in Latin, counting in Roman numerals, ruled by a line of Caesars that never died out. And Rome looks upward. With a head start of centuries, Roman engineers reach for the sky, and then far beyond it. Imagine eagle-marked rockets and a legionary standing on the surface of the moon. But would it truly be a golden age? An empire with no rival has little reason to change. Slavery might never end, emperors might never fall, and all that progress could serve conquest above all else. Still, without those lost centuries of darkness, we might be 1,000 years ahead of where we stand today, curing the incurable, walking on distant worlds. Better or just bigger? Stay curious.